it's Amelia with Body Fluent Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you a really cool technique for improving your posture. I've seen people buy these little buzzy things that they put between their back, and that's not necessary. But if you do want something less expensive to try at home, I've got one for you. So Kinesiology tape is something that's so cool. You can now buy it in the drugstore. So it comes in these pre-cut strips. And what you're going to do is you're just going to tear off the backing, and then you are going to reach behind you and you are going to lie the tape without any stretch just on your back, above your shoulder, right over your shoulder blades. And I'll turn so you can see a little better. So I'm lying it just like this. And because I'm putting it on with my arms up this way, when I put my arms back down, I'm already in good posture. And so this is not holding me back in this position, but it's giving me a gentle reminder so that if I start to slouch, it starts to make a pulling feeling, and then I sit back up straight again. Give it a try.